How y'all doing? I'm gonna do a taste test for pardon me, Schweppes cream soda. I've heard mixed things about this, so let's see what it actually tastes like. I'm not expecting much, to be honest with you. Yeah, this fucking tastes like it has bubble gum in it. Yeah, zombie piss. Okay, that's like quadruple zombie piss. Seriously, Schweppes, stick with ginger ale. You're not good at freaking cream soda. Ugh. Well, if you freaking want to take that to a freaking prison, or if you want to interrogate somebody, that's a good way to give them confess, to get them to confess something. Just give them that fucking this shitty soda, Schweppes cream soda. I do not recommend. I do not recommend this at all. Stay the hell away from it. Ugh. Good thing I haven't eaten anything recently. I'd probably throw up. But anyways, I got another taste test coming for y'all in a little bit here. But here's this one. So I'll see y'all later.